Good morning! Welcome back to a new video. As you see, we're back in our storage room and we are going to work on the floors. So these floors, we need to treat them. So we're going to do a coat and seal them with hardwood coating. So it's going to seal them in and they're going to be nice and hard. This is going to harden the wood because currently this wood is very soft and really easy to dent. It's not the hardest wood. This is pine or fir. I don't exactly know which one, but one of the other. And they're really soft, so really easy to do. We have some problems such as Ivi has scratched it, and we have some glue in this spot here where we were unrolling the rock wool, so we have to clean the glue and we have to sandpaper a bit the scratches that Ivi have created, and then we're ready to lay it out and finally have this floor looking a lot brighter as well. Not brighter, but more contrast and more colorful. So yeah, let's get started by sandpapering and wash off this glue.
Is it coming out?
Yep, instantly.
Okay, it's good because it hurt my fingers. No, it doesn't come off.
Just need the roughness gone mostly. So now that the floor is ready and looking pretty good, we are gonna start working. This is what we're gonna use. So we found this. There was many different options. We wanted first to stain it kind of, but we're not sure if you can stain it and then still seal it. So we just decided just to do a parquet. So this is what you call this type of floor. This is really not parquet. This is more like hardwood. Parquet is those small tiny pieces. So we're gonna try and see how it looks on a small test piece, because Despina is not sure if she's gonna like the color. The picture of course is not representing our floor. This side looks like oak floor or something more hardwood, a different completely color, and this is a really bright wood, so it might turn very yellow, which is not the look Despina wants, but I don't think there's another option. So
yeah, we wanted to go natural and oil it, but
yeah, but if we oil it, it stays soft. And oiling will need to be redone all the time. If you spill something, it will not clean off so easily.
Yeah.
This one will pretty much create a layer kind of similar to epoxy, and it will create also hardening. It will soak into the wood and harden the wood. We have done it on many things and it's probably the best. You can literally put paint on it and then straight away clean it off. It's really good. So yeah, let's test it out on this piece and see how it looks. You like it?
I actually did want it a bit darker.
But it's the same color.
It's like a clear color.
No, it's actually darker. It's a bit darker actually, yeah.
A tiny bit, no, not like the other one.
You can see the difference between the side and the top.
We used to buy boat luck. Maybe that has like a tone of something yellowness inside, the boat luck.
No,
and that was actually cheaper.
This looks more like wood.
This was much cheaper.
Mine need multiple layers though, because I think the first one is that especially is going to absorb.
Probably, yeah.
And then the second layer is going to be the nice smooth layer.
It's literally just like a glass on top of it.
Yep.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, I was scared it's gonna go like yellow.
Okay, I'll quickly run to get you a brush.
Yeah. So David got me a brush, and that's the biggest one we have. We thought we had brushes instead to buy some, but yeah, we had a lot of these ones, but we thought they were bigger. So yeah, it's not gonna go that fast, but two, it should definitely go faster. So we have finished doing the first layer. I am not 100% sure we're gonna do a second one. We have to let it dry for at least 24 hours before we can see if we can do another one. So yeah, that is done for now. As you saw also we did the bottom. We are not gonna do the whole frame for now because we might have to sandpaper because someone took their brush when they did the green bathroom and smudged it all over. I don't know who of us, probably both of us did it. And yeah, so we might somehow maybe clean that off. But the bottom is done, was a good opportunity. Because yeah, otherwise, you know, we have another time where we can't step on it. So yeah, let's leave it for now and go away because it is quite smelly, but we have been taking breaks, don't worry. Well, we're not doing that consistently, but now I'm done, so I want to leave from there. So yeah, let's see if I can turn off the light actually.
And we have the windows open all the time as well.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Plus also the door needs another coat, so that all is another time. I'm gonna come back to it.
So it's the next day. It's actually less than 24 hours. It's about to be. In a few hours it's gonna be 24 hours. And we can stand on it already. It's dry. It does feel like it's
sticky.
rough or a bit sticky, but you can't physically stick on it. I tested that. But it needs to still dry a bit more before we can do anything else in here. And it does look like it might need a second layer, but it does smell up the house quite a lot. And we ventilated the house, but that cools down the house a lot. So this is a better job in summer, of course. But for now, it's going to be perfectly fine. It definitely hardened up the floor. You can't scratch it. You cannot bump it. I tried to bump it, and it doesn't bump so easily. Definitely hardened it up. And yeah, it's going to be easy if something falls off to clean. We should have done it straight away as soon as we put them in. We should have just straight away done it. So it doesn't get scratched by Ivi or us walking or anything because the floor was quite soft.
And we had a spray bottle that we sprayed and got yellow.
I cleaned the vacuum cleaner. I cleaned it there. And I didn't realize that the spray leaves a marks, but raw wood absorbs everything, so that's why it's not the best. On this floor, if you spray anything, wipe it off and done. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. We're gonna continue next time. We have to do lights in the basement, we have to do our hatch electric, and then we're probably gonna get our plywood going. Oh no, actually we need
gonna get there.
We need to get this wall done. We have actually checked it, and we'll give you an update on this wall, how the installation's been doing, because it's been more than a month since we did it. And yeah, and then we're gonna get our plywood and gonna start building cabinets and counters and all those things. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah, and you can see that we already have tried. Let us know if you like it. We wanna do like an arc. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice.